Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia Gilkey, aka Sister Nandi. And for those of you who are new here on my channel and those who have been here, don't forget, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification button so that when I drop a new video, you'll be notified. Appreciate you all coming in today. So what's going on with me? I want to share my lock story and tell you why I do not use pipe cleaners on my locks. I started locking my hair about 25 years ago. Ooh. And I have enjoyed every moment of the journey. I decided to lock my hair because I had done everything else to it. I had dyed it, fried it, laid it to the side, braided, knotted it, pressed and curled it. I had done everything except wear locks. And it was always something beautiful and mystique to me about locks. I loved how it looked and the regalness of it and how Mother Nature just created the style, you know. And so that's what I liked about locks. And I decided I was going to lock my hair. And before I started locking my hair, I decided, I'd ask people, say, hey, I'm going to lock my hair. What do you think? And most of the people discouraged me. Girl, why do you want to lock your hair? What you going to do with your hair? And back then they were calling them dreads. And at the time I was working in corporate America. And a couple people were like, girl, you ain't gonna be able to wear them dreads up in the corporate? They ain't gonna let you in the workplace like that? I was like, who not gonna let me in? What are you talking about? It just never dawned on me that the fact that I decided to wear a particular hairstyle, I needed approval from my workplace. I just never thought about it. So, and then one of my colleagues asked me, aren't you gonna ask if it's okay? And I was like, ask who? I asked myself and I said it was okay. So we're going on with this thing. So I went ahead and I locked my hair up. And like I said, I have enjoyed every moment of it. One of the things I learned as I was locking my hair is that locking starts from the inside. We start to, unlocking a lot of the myths about beauty, about ourselves, about our hair. I became much more confident about myself, confident about my hair. I started seeing beauty in a whole different light. And nothing wrong with however everybody else wear their hair, but for me, my journey, it was very eye-opening for me once I released all of the tugging and pulling and trying to make my hair do something that was out of the natural norm. I was okay with my locks. And I was okay with the growth that I was experiencing. So I wore my locks and, I'm naturally good at styling hair. That's one of my gifts. So I always, was looking at doing different things with my locks, creating different styles. But one of the things that I really, really loved was curling my hair before I locked it. And so once my hair got to a length where I could curl it, I curled it with rollers, rods, paper. I tried everything with curling my locks. And then one day I tried, someone had told me about pipe cleaners and I tried pipe cleaners. And the pipe cleaners curls was really actually a nice curl. I liked the curl. And that was the look that I was going for. But the downside of the pipe cleaner was, here's the pipe cleaner. For those who don't know what a pipe cleaner is, this is a pipe cleaner. Or Chanel stem is actually, this is a craft piece. So it's actually called a Chanel stem, but they've now relabeled them pipe cleaners. And it's a little fuzzy and has a wire inside of it. And so I wrapped my hair with this. And what I found is that the fuzziness would come off into my hair. This fuzzy stuff would come off into my hair. And I would have a lot of buildup in my hair, as well as when I was taking releasing the curl, the pipe cleaner would get caught into my hair and would pull my hair. So I would lose hair. And then the ends would stick me because there's a wire here. It would stick me. And I was like, oh my God. Every time I wore them a couple times and I was like, I can't do this anymore. So I stopped using the pipe cleaners and I went into the laboratory. And I said, I'm going to create something that I can use and curl my hair and not have to worry about it sticking me, the fuzziness coming out in my hair, pulling my hair, and then throwing them away. I would have to throw them away after I used them one time because all the fuzzy stuff would be gone. So there would be nothing to hold my hair. So I went to the laboratory and I created Wrapaloc. This is Wrapaloc. It's a tool that has silicone on the outside and it has a flexible wire on the inside. And so Wrapaloc is used to curl the hair. It creates beautiful tight spiral curls. It does not snag my hair. It does not stick me. And the best thing about it, I do not have to throw them away. These things last a very, very long time. And then I've also taken away all the work with having to cut them and resize them. Wrapaloc comes in 3 sizes. This is my large, which is a 10-inch tool. It will wrap up 20 inches of hair. This is my 6-inch tool. We call it a medium. And it will wrap up to 12 inches of hair. And then this is my small, which is a 3-inch tool, and it will wrap up to 6 inches of hair. So I have created 3 different sizes for you to curl your beautiful locks. And you can use these tools over and over and over again. And the other beautiful thing about Wrapaloc is that you can wear the tool in your hair as a style, and no one will know that you have a tool in your hair. That's the beautiful thing, because one of the things too, I enjoyed curling my hair, but the one thing I didn't like about when I got my locks is I did not like sitting under a hair dryer. So anything I could do to avoid the dryer was right on time. So when I created Wrapaloc and I realized I could wear them, initially when I created it, I was creating it for something to curl my hair. And so one day I had put the Wrapaloc in my hair and I had to go and run some errands. And I said, oh man, I gotta go run errands. What am I gonna do? And I just went to the mirror and I started bending and sculpturing my hair. I said, oh, that look cute. I'm going out like this. I went to the store and I was in the store and I was at the checkout line and this young lady was standing behind me and I could feel her just burning a hole in my back. And she was like, I was like, she all in my head. So I turned around and she said, oh, your hair is so cute. I said, thank you. She said, how did you get it like that? And I told her about Wrapaloc. I said, well, there's this tool that I created, and I have locks. And I said, when I take it loose, I'm gonna have pretty curly locks. She says, really? I never seen anything like that. I said, I know. I said, my goal is to get it to the market so that it'll be available to the masses. And so for the last 15 years, I have been working diligently to introduce the world to Wrapaloc, a product that I have invented by a Black woman. Wrapaloc Products Incorporated, our company, is woman-led by me, and it's a family-owned business. So one of the great things about Wrapaloc is that when you invest your money in Wrapaloc, you will get a return. You'll be able to use this product over and over again, and you will be investing in a family, a Black family that is working in the community to do good service, to bring along other young people into the fold. So that's why I do not use pipe cleaner on my hair, because I have discovered a great product called Wrapaloc that does a wonderful, wonderful job. So I hope that answered your question. I hope that the information that I've shared today has been very helpful for you, and that you will go to our website, www.wrapaloc.com, and check out the product and or purchase the product. I think you're gonna love it. We've gotten beautiful reviews over it. As I wrap up, let me just say, I hope that when you go to curl your hair the next time, that you will consider using Wrapaloc, a tool that was designed and created for curling locks. Hope to see you in the next video. Peace.